Hey everybody, it's been a long time since I've done a video and wanted to give you guys an update. We got a lot of stuff going on in the shop and I'm gonna take you a walk around of what's going on. All right, so first thing we got going on is this RX7 that's had some blown apex seals, so we're redoing the rotary on it. Big thanks to Black Hawk Japan in getting us all parts straight from Japan to rebuild that rotary and get a video up on getting the assembly done. My bench there is a bit of a mess right now. Then we've got the Miata in. The Miata's got a new motor in it, but it's got a front crank seal leak, and get a video up on that. I've got to build a crank seal installation tool, the short nose crank, so small nose crank. So also excited about the fact that just finished refurbishing the Victor lathe and got it up and running. I want to put a DRO on it so that we can dial that guy in, but he's up and running, works real well, and so super excited about that. And then the last thing that I'm super excited about is I got my Sandcar back in the shop. Thanks to Alper Motorsports for getting it to this point. But we're going to take it from this point forward and get it going. And so Alper Motorsports got the rear trailing arms on it, get the motor in it and stuff like that. But we're going to take it from this point and get the front arms fabricated up, get those put on and everything. You know, and I'll post a couple pictures of the last car I had. The last car was full potential, and we had a little bit of a crash a couple of years ago out at Dumont Drags. And but this chassis is real stout chassis, radius roof. We got to do the rear shock towers. The motor is from my previous car. It's a blown 440, and now it is paired up with S4D. So should do really well in this car. Give you a shot of the motor, and we just got to make some small changes to the exhaust on that guy, and it should be good to go. So this will be a fun project. We'll get some videos up on that. And then the other thing I'm excited about is that we're doing a new channel as well, which is Life with my Cutout wife, and I'll put a link to that. That's just kind of a fun channel with experience with my wife. That's now a flat pop out, and we'll do some fun stuff with that as well. All right, I think that's it. Thanks for watching, and some more videos to come.